The Mobile County NAACP is responding tonight to the grand jury's decision not to indict a Mobile police officer who shot and killed a teenager on June 13th, saying it is dissatisfied and disappointed. Harold Hurst shot Michael Moore during a traffic stop. Moore, driving a stolen car, reached for a stolen gun in his waistband, according to police. Officer Hurst fired 5 times, striking Moore 3 times. The NAACP is not accepting the grand jury's decision, saying a number of questions remain in this case, including disposition of the weapon and witness testimony. A news release issued late tonight states the only thing we know for sure is that a 19-year-old citizen was killed by Officer Hurst and that a gun was later found on his body at the hospital where he was taken for treatment. The local chapter is expanding its investigation into the shooting along with its state and national presidents, saying without knowing the evidence presented to the grand jury, they're operating in a vacuum and can't have complete confidence in the grand jury's decision.
The family of Michael Moore is also upset by the grand jury's decision. They hoped Officer Hurst would face criminal charges. News 5's Alan Carter spoke to them, as well as other local leaders calling for transparency.
Before she met with the media, District Attorney Ashley Rich first spoke with the family of Michael Moore. But obvious that the conversation did not lend to what they wanted to hear, leaving upset and disappointed.
The way that this system has treated this case, so be it. Unfortunately, Mobile has had more than enough time to wake up. We as a family will give the press a statement tomorrow. End of story.
But it seems neither the family or the media received much detail into what led to that decision.
And the law is very clear about the sanctity and secrecy of grand jury proceedings. And I cannot comment on the evidence or the facts that were presented to the grand jury.
While we know Officer Hurst won't be charged, questions remain about the incident itself. Questions that even state lawmakers in the room want answered.
We understand the DA's constraints and we respect the grand jury's finding, but we do want more transparency, especially in a case that is so crucial and toxic to our community right now.
The people need to have confidence that everything truly was presented and taken into consideration. We don't know what was presented.
Rich says she understands those concerns but is bound by the law. But that's not satisfactory for Moore's family, in a statement saying they now await the Justice Department's findings and they, quote, intend to bring a civil rights lawsuit for these violations of the United States Constitution as a result of the wrongful shooting of Michael Moore. Reporting in Mobile, Alan Carter, News 5.
It may not be over for Officer Hurst just yet. The FBI and Justice Department have yet to complete their investigations. For now, though, he remains on paid administrative leave. The police department saying that will remain the case until the outcome of the Justice Department investigation. In the meantime, the mayor is also asking people with a desire to express themselves to do so peacefully and constructively.